wa Kenya Kuhuthira Uugi wao Guutigirira Nimongerera harĩ Kiondo kana harĩ Kiondo kia Magetha Bururi-ini makiari mari Mwena wa Eldoret hindi ya Kigomano kia Kwariria ciigii Itemi Riao harĩ Ukuria wa Irio Bururi-ini nimaugite ati Uugi wa Ubundi Inene harĩ Ukuria wa Irio nimaugite ati harĩ bata wa bururi Gwikirira Kwagirithia magetha mao niguo kuona ona thoko cia magetha mao.
Out of champions will make you.
One of the greatest problems we have in this country, or challenges we have, is post-harvest losses, and we are talking about security. We are talking about needs to be dried, chilling the food that needs to be chilled, and that process is actually an engineering process.
We all know that North Rift is a food basket, and like has been said, to combat the world hunger, according to the SDG number 2, which is against hunger, we are able and competent as a region to anticipate that our communities and our peoples can fall hungry, because it has been said that engineers create solutions, and we need to see solutions, especially in combating world hunger.
So one of the issues that us engineers are raising and would like to contribute is to in Kenya, so that we don't have to re-import what we produce. So it makes us export something that is of more value. And that goes towards improving what they call balance, and therefore
na ereta njira ya